we go. It's recording.
Nice. Nice idle.
Yeah.
I like the idle a lot, Sean.
Think I could snag another smoke?
Oh, sure. Guys, don't do tobacco at home. Only at work.
Mm-hmm.
Try to live the best years you can. Now. Because then you don't want to regret not smoking in the future.
With the Y right there. Yep. I helped buck that. Not last year, but the year before. Hey Alex, will you pop that camera off? Her over.
Oh, right.
You're gonna have to top up the plastic piece on it, like a log.
How do you do that?
Just like that. Now you squeeze.
Oh. All right, we're going personal. PO mode.
Here we are, Boothbay Harbor, Windjammer Days. Boats are coming in. Okay. That one. Plop that one. And there we go.
So just keep on going this way.
Yep.
And those two buoys there.
Bunch of people coming in.
Yeah, but they won't want to come in this shallow.
Directly there at the 11 o'clock. We're gonna whip it around.
You could even whip it around behind you and be safe too.
I'm gonna go that way once the sailboat. just want to whip around and
There's
get
the F too. Watch out behind you too.
I know. That's why I'm doing this. Trying to keep her somewhat lined up with this buoy.
Hey, Douglas! Woo! How fun!
Yeah.
He loves recognition from his peers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's kind
Oh,
of
let's get his photo. Let's get his photo.
Yep.
Right? Oh my God.
Oh, novelty got in the way.
Oh yeah.
You ready? I'm going to drop her to idle and turn her so we face.
Sounds good. Good move. Good call.
Since Douglas is out of the way now.
I got photos of him for his like montage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go up around this buoy and then, or right in front of it, and then we get a good shot. Uh-oh, we're gonna hit this buoy. Stop it. All right.
Well, I knew we'd be going on the bench. I pulled her a little bit too quick. I only wanted to give her a little bit of
yeah,
throttle.
right into the buoy. Just idle that way around.
I want the camera facing this way.
Oh, this way?
Yes.
Oh, do you want to get this?
All of them are coming straight across in front of our path.
They're gonna get there a lot quicker than you.
I'm not going there.
Oh, okay.
I gotta stay off this way, out
Amazing.
of the way.
Amazing. We're like journalists. Oh, look at that other boats coming our way too. It's exciting. What are you gonna do?
I just turned us so they know we're going this way, not that way.
Oh yeah.
Especially with boats coming up on either side.
Amazing. Hope you don't change your mind at the last minute. Don't change your mind.
I'm not. I'm just watching these guys that were in that
Like
spot.
that big boat there, you want to go to the left of you, right? Right?
Yeah, that's actually exactly why I had it lined up
Oh,
for.
nice. That sounds good. Sounds logical to me. We can go straight through there.
That's the plan.
All the way out there.
I think that one is dead.
Yeah?
Yep. Yee-hee.
I have not gotten wet yet.
Nope.
I like that.
But we also ain't been at full throttle yet.
Pretty nice.
either. Is there still a red light blinking there in the top left? Yes, I see it. Thank you.
Amazing, Sean.
It only had like 20%.
I connected one of these cameras up to the power supply. I was able to run it. But then the power supply turned off after like...
The charging port on that one's fucked.
Yeah, I have another one. You can have it. Okay?
Oh, I have a 3 battery charger at home.
Just as long as you'll invite me over, you know,
Oh yeah.
in the future, you know, to your palace, because I'm hoping for.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Have
there's
fun.
East Wind.
I I'd like to probably grill there, you know, at your palace.
Applejack's over there on the other side of Eastwind right now.
Look at those guys having to pay to go out.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we're sitting here filming the whole thing. Getting ready to give her a true
What a
stretch of her
deal.
legs.
This thing didn't cost very much to build out.
Nope.
Like $800 or something total without the motor.
Yeah.
Something like that with all the
Oh,
other things.
and I've got a guy giving me a motor up in Damerscotta for this.
Oh, for it? What kind?
I'm not sure what kind, but it is a 4-stroke. He's just never used it since the day he got it.
How exciting.
Oh, breakaway's up ahead.
Oh my gosh, there's the breakaway, the legendary breakaway. It's known for catching the biggest tunas around.
I'm moving out of this guy's
That's
way.
the Viking. That's the great Viking ship. Well known in the Viking community as the plunder vessel. And now we see the other dragoons ahead of us. Sloops. There's a sloop to our right and a dragoon to our left. So it's a wonderful day here in the harbor.
I see several. I see several schooners. They're mostly schooners.
Maybe I should get a job doing this. Can we do this with my boat?
Oh yeah.
We could make money with this, right?
Yep. Heck, with your boat, we could make a lot more money.
Mark thinks it'd be cool if we filmed photography with drones.
Oh yeah, that's
Like,
in
how about we
another
went up
way.
to Island and then we found the bald eagle, but then we launched the drones, right?
Yeah.
We had a dinghy so we could go retrieve a drone if it failed, right? With the tracker,
yeah.
with the tracker on it somehow,
Yeah.
right? But and also that breakaway inflator thing that self-inflates, right?
Yeah.
I was telling you about the CO2, little mini CO2 cartridge.
Yep.
And it's like $40. It's a pretty good deal.
Okay.
Up here we've got the breakaway. This thing idle's nice.
Uh-huh. I've pretty much only kept it in idle this whole time.
When I started, it took a while for it to get into idle, you know?
Yeah.
I had to run it in choke for a second, and then like run it a little bit in to get it to catch that idle.
Yeah.
But it was cold out, it'd be hard to catch that idle. I had to adjust it.
Yep.
I like that if you need to, you can go fast for a second, or you can idle, you know, with the engine. It's pretty convenient for safety's sake.
Hang on, Alex. I'm opening her up.
All right, let's do it.
Here's full throttle. She does good.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
It goes pretty fast.
Yep. I'd say probably 10, 11. Oh, we're on plane, dude.
I wonder if you move forward, what would happen?
Well-
Don't fuck around. Don't fuck up yourself. Your placement. Don't mess up your placement just to move forward. You can always stop to do it. Don't lose that handle.
I only went down so I wouldn't hit myself.
Oh, that's good. I don't want you to swing the thing off while
all support.
What about the fuel?
I'm not sure right this second.
Let's head over there and then we'll assess the fuel.
Yep.
When we get to the mouth. Alright?
We're almost there.
Oh wow.
Uh-huh.
This is at full throttle, right?
Yep.
Wow.
For some reason, there's still more weight on this
back.
stuff.
Further back. Keep going. Let's just see what it's like when I go all the way back. With all my weight this way. Much slower, right? Oh.
That was higher.
Yeah, much higher, right?
Yep. Sorry. Should have told you.
Oh boy. I'm up here.
Alrighty, winging you back towards the harbor in a minute. I winged her a little bit too far.
How fun.
Yep.
How fun, Sean.
Oh yeah, once you got up on plane, we didn't get wet a little.
Your feet are all wet, don't mind?
Mine aren't. So yeah, these are about 1 foot waves. I see the no wake zone moving dead
Oh,
ahead.
this is nice. I think we should try to get fuel across one of these outer islands.
Okay,
Let's check the fuel right now.
just a sec.
I'll check it all the time.
Okay.
I don't know, it feels like we got a lot in there.
Awesome.
I don't know. Looks like right here.
I think let's go check out how much fuel prices are before
Yeah,
we
let's
attempt
go.
going out.
Let's do it. Yeah, it has to be ethanol free too.
Yep.
Yeah, all those factors.
This is gonna be fun, Alex.
Here we go. Not that bad.
That's because there was only one.
Oh, firework cannon. Cannon.
Oh, cannon. Okay.
Cannon.
If you notice, they're continuing on their heading. That's we're not aligned.
How fun.
Yep.
They got a 40.
Uh-huh.
There's like divides the water. Skims it.
Oh, and Alex, before we leave Carousel, I'm gonna change the battery in that GoPro.
Amazing.
But I'll have 2 days worth of video uploads
We'll have
on
to decide
there.
if we can get fuel there.
It'll save you money, it'll save me money. Just in the gas to go up and get it.
Yeah, I mean, they might not have ethanol free fuel at all.
Yep.
Amazing.
We're coming right up through the middle of all these guys.
the lobsters, the shedders, right?
Yeah.
And hang out. Maybe we can get them to work with us somehow.
Yeah. I want to get myself a Boston Terrier.
All right, we'll get them to do jobs for us. How's that sound?
That sounds good.
Yeah, we'll train them to do some activities.
Looks like Todd's out on the water. I don't see his boat.
They just kind of run over all the buoys.
Oh yeah, they're wide enough.
But they're going on sail power, so that's good. They don't got their motor going. I mean, those guys.
Yeah.
They don't have to worry about cutting up a buoy on the Hello. Yeah, that's a pretty gorgeous looking boat right there.
Uh-huh. Creating a bit too much of a wave.
We got 115 on this one. That thing probably ripped really, really fast. See a boat right there, Sean? That was perfect.
Oh yeah.
Look how fucking awesome. 115 on there.
I've looked into a couple of those that were up for
With
sale.
the radar, it's like a little mini lobster boat.
I actually looked at a 20-foot lobster boat.
I bet you could look for 8,000.
Something like that.
Pretty nice.
Depends on what it has for gear.
If you're out in the water, you're really tippy. Like when we try to do all your work.
Yeah, I go out normally tuna fishing on one of those. This blue center console here.
That's what we usually use. We're not riding around for this day. We're on the camera.
And that's what Brett, my buddy Brett, has for his fishing boat.
Red Berry.
Yep. I can't tell which way this guy's going. Whereas he's matching our speed right now. Back off the trail a little bit more. Now that we're getting to the inner bay. I see you. I'm also trying to avoid this dock. Trying to catch some more of these sailboats as we wait for him to get past. Oh, we got someone coming.
There's the Virginia. It's like a battleship.
I got a good head-on view of her.
No cannons on that one. Mark says there's some ordinance in town where you can't shoot off a cannon.
Unless it's today.
Yeah? Only today? But he
They
can't-
actually have a cannon firing ceremony.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, he can never do it on this day because of the parade.
That's right.
Right? That's what it is. He tried to do it on the 4th of July. But they
God
didn't.
damn, the fuel dock's full.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, from where this cat is forward. You
Can we
see
park
the
in front of
red
it?
and yellow, red and white tent there?
Yeah?
That's where the fuel is.
Oh no. Bring our fuel container over there, Sean,
Yeah.
and then fill it up.
I'll head on to the public landing.
No, let's go check over here.
Okay, I'll continue on my path
Yeah,
then.
let's see what's in front of that cat.
I've got to go around these moorings because this fucker ain't relenting.
Oh, what do you got in tight?
He started turning towards my fucking ass.
Yeah, he had some excess unburned hydrocarbon.
Yeah. The fuel dock's right here.
Right here?
Yes. He's taking
Let's go to the
it.
end of the cobalt.
Yep. Looks like someone else is trying.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. Good day, huh?
Yeah. This is my newest boat.
What's that?
This is my newest one.
I like
I sold a 30-foot sailboat in November.
Yeah.
There's a fuel dock. Let's go over there.
I don't think we can reach it though.
Where is the fuel? There is over there?
No, it's right behind it.
Alright, we'll park them right there if you're very short.
That will put us in front of them in the way.
That's good. We can go walk our jug over and fill it up. We can take the jug out of here and walk right over there and say, we can ask you to walk over there and ask them. I don't really want me to put it into neutral.
Now. Reverse. Okay, forward.
Alright, drive.
Neutral.
Great.
Don't keep me too close. That's the only thing.
That's pretty close.
Gotta talk to them.
He says it's not. Oh, he doesn't believe it might not be ethanol free. Do you want to put it in there?
It's your call. It's your motor.
All right, we want to put some gas in our tank.
Bring it on up here. Or whatever. You gonna be a little busy today? Yeah, he worked this all these days, all the last few days. It was so hot. The cars didn't have AC in it, so it was off.
Cash or card?
Cash?
Yep.